Secrets women crave from their men, but will never want to share, including me. Okay, we never want to share this, even in their last days. But I'm going to expose all that in today's video. They will never admit to this. And number one is emotional stability. Now let me come. Okay, if you're someone that, for instance, a woman starts shouting about something, and then you start shouting back, you felt it. Now, when a woman starts shouting, leave that area, exit that area, and come back later, maybe in the night, maybe in the evening, maybe tomorrow morning, and wake her up and said, every time you want to talk to me like an adult that I am. If you're shouting, I won't be able to hear you. I'm not even hearing you. Okay? Talk to me like an adult and I will listen and I will understand. But when you are shouting, I'm not able to understand you. And when next you are talking to me and you are shouting, the consequences is what you will not like. Now, what were you saying? Now, what were you saying? You are proving to her that you mean what you're saying. And secondly, that you were not even listening to her all those while. That you don't even know what she was talking about. And calm down for her to talk. And you will watch her talk and respect you. Now, this is one of kind of emotional stability that a woman craves from their men. Now, if you're someone that when a woman starts shouting, you want to prove your point, you start shouting with her. Or you start shouting at her. Okay? Or you get angry and you start acting up. These things. No. The woman will start looking at you as you are in the same level of reasoning with her. So walk away, come back later and ask her. Tell her first what you want from her. Tell her the consequences of if she continues with that. And then ask her what she was saying. The woman will be like, what's going on? The next secret is when you are every woman's spec, but you are choosing her. You know what I'm talking about? When you are every woman's spec, every man wants you. Like every woman that comes in contact with you wants to have you. But you have chosen that you don't want to have them, but her. There's something about this. Women will never want you to know this, but let me tell you guys, when they know that you are choosing them, when she particularly knows that you are choosing her, but a lot of women want you, she will work for it. She will want to earn your respect. She will want to earn you particularly. Because a lot of women want you, but you want her, only her. Like, not that you want her, but you have chosen her. That means you still have options. Now, that means she needs to actually work harder to meet up your expectations from her. Because if she is not, the answer is right there. So, being a lot of women spec is by having the attributes, okay? You are not going to be a lot of women spec just because you keep women around you, no. But because you work hard. So that's when working hard comes in, okay? That's when being serious about whatever you do, being serious about your dreams, your whatever you want to be, or what you want to do, or what you want to achieve, being serious about those things comes in. Because when you are not serious about those things, women will not want you. A lot of women will not see you as the aspect. So when you are hardworking, when you are working to achieve your goals diligently, okay, you're not being confused by things, or when you are supposed to work, you are in the bed. When you are supposed to work, you are attending to a woman. Now, you will not be women's spec, and that woman in your life will not even see you as no. Okay, that is one of the things women secretly crave from their men, but will never tell you so that you will not know. You see how this is mysterious, right? So that you will not know, but that's what women crave. They want you to be the spec of a lot of women, so that they work hard to be who you want them to be. They work hard to be in your life. They want to help you pursue your dreams and not being the center of everything about you. So you are like, I haven't seen any other woman except you. I'm seeing a lot of women, but I chose you. I decided to choose you. Not because a lot of women are not beautiful and all that. Women that are beautiful are everywhere. Women that are everything that you have are everywhere. But I just chose you because I want to choose you. Not because you are everything. So they want to be part of your journey. in achieving your dreams and not being the center of your everything. That means you don't have any other thing. Okay, that's the secret. That's one of the secrets that women crave from their men. So you need to work hard to be every woman's spec by working on yourself, not even for them, but working on yourself. You're not working to impress people, you're working for your betterment. And you see that the woman will be like, no. And the next one is on being unpredictable, like being unpredictable. Yes, in terms of maybe when situations arises or when things came up in the relationship or even outside there. When you are making decisions, you are not always because they said I will follow, because she said I will follow, because you are saying I'm going to do it. No, but you are making decisions based on what you are thinking. So you have good sense of reasoning. You reason before you act. So you don't always act because things are happening. So when she does something, you always have a way of reacting to it. So now she knows you complete. No. What women crave from their man is a man that is unpredictable. A man that is not always there. They will value your time with them because you are always there. I'm telling you the reality. They will value your time with them because you are not predictable. You're not someone that will, I know where he is. I know what he's doing. I know what he's going to do. Nah. No, okay. Now the next one is knowing when to say no and standing by it, okay? You have boundaries. You have limits to things you take. I know how this sounds, but women will never even agree to seeing this as what they crave, but that's what they secretly crave from their man. They want a man that will stand by his word and not entirely when you are wrong, we are still standing on it. No, you know when to say yes, you know when to say no. Okay, you don't take everything, okay, but you have limits to what you take, okay. And when you are saying no, you mean no. When you say yes, you mean yes. You can stand by your words. You can stand by your words. When you say no now and you go out there and you are saying yes there, it means you are not like you can't stand by. You are not trustworthy. So a woman will never be able to understand you and also will not even crave this, okay? Because she will be thinking that you are not stable. She will be thinking that you don't even know what you want. Because you're saying yes here, the next minute you're saying no because someone else said or stuff like that. Even when you're not supposed to say no. Or when you're not supposed to say yes. You are not standing by your words. Okay, so if you can stand by your words, stand by your no, and your no will be no, the woman will be like, wow. At the back of her mind, she will be like, wow. Yeah, because you have that particular trait that a woman craves for in a man. She will respect you. She will adore you. She will reverence you and she will love you. Everything in one. She will even not want to lose you. So let me tell you guys, everyone, not only men, okay, women want, or let's say everyone wants to value, respect, and love what is actually valuable, what is worthy of. Okay, so if you're everyone's spec, but you value and choose her, she will be grateful. If you are someone that can stand by your word, she will be like, I don't even need to do anyhow because who knows what he will do. If you are someone that actually is unpredictable, a woman will be very much careful and respectful, and she will love you for who you are because nobody can actually make you feel like you need to change who you are. Okay, you do things according to what you understand, according to your reasoning. Okay, now when you are these kind of things, you are emotionally stable. This makes a woman to be so astonished, and also she will actually respect you. Okay, so if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, subscribe and share this video with your loved ones. See you guys in my next